Well, good morning. It's the broadcast. It's the Monday morning, May 16th edition, Season 4, Episode 4 of the broadcast. Well, got out here about 5:30 a.m. and tried Papa's honey hole. Didn't really have any bites over there, so moved over to Bird Island. Yeah, Bird Island. There were probably about 50 Canada geese in this area around this island. So I came over here, started floating that worm, and got a pretty nice fish. I'd say he's about 1.5 pounds. Might have been pushing 2. Didn't really put the scale on him, but I figure he was, let's just call him 2. Why not? And then caught a small Kentucky. Boy, he was he might have been 1 pound soaking wet, but he put up a tussle. Put up quite a little fight, little fella. So caught 2 today. So got a little fish smell on the hands and in the boat. So that's, it's progress. That's something. So today it's, let's see, 66 degrees, mostly cloudy, a little reddish, pinkish in the east this morning, pre-dawn, so got a couple of snapshots of that. And that's really the sum total of it. Good outing, caught some fish, saw a little bit of a sunrise out here in the basin, so reconnected with Bird Island. So about all we have today. We're going to crank this guy up and head on in. So here we go. Thanks for tuning in on the broadcast. Always appreciate my subscribers. Pass the word. Hit that little red rectangle. Subscribe. And keep up with the broadcast. Because here we go. Be strong and courageous. That's it. We're out.